My video is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site Copyumeti.com. Copyumeti.com is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Copyumeti.com tries to make you really scared about the condition of your computer and to make you download some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Copyumeti.com, do not interact with them. These pop-ups are fake. Just leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend you to additionally investigate your system with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the official website such as combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button. By the way, the application is available for all popular operating systems. Download the software through this official website combocleaner.com. Install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections fully from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.